Many homeowners that use their garage door on a consistent basis will find that some repair work will be needed at some point. These mechanic doors have a lot of parts, and constant stress on the pieces will likely result in them malfunctioning or simply needing a repair. Residents of Exeter should be patient in making a decision of who to hire in order to ensure that the job is done well and at an affordable rate as well. Some service businesses up their prices dramatically, something that can be a huge deterrent in whether or not the repair job is actually done. Taking the time to shop around and find a business that is qualified for garage door repairs in Exeter, as well as fitting into a homeowner's budget, will ensure that the repair is done soon and correctly. There are a number of different things a person should for when they're trying to hire somebody for a garage door repair service. While price is definitely a high priority, it is almost just as important to ensure that the business is qualified for the job. Garage Door and Automation Company Limited are located at 7 Swan Units, Heron Road in Exeter, and perfect for homeowners that cannot travel far in order to check out a particular business. They specialize in sales of a full range of garage doors, both manual and automated, but they also can complete garage door repairs without a problem. A homeowner can give them a call at 013924444140 and instantly be given more information on their particular problem and what the estimated cost will be. One of the best ways that a person could make sure they are choosing a quality business is by choosing one that has grown throughout the book. And the Garage Doors Limited have several locations, all spread out in the book, making one of the leading names in anything regarding garage doors. Not only do they sell garage doors in a range of different sizes and models, they also complete other kind of work. They are qualified for maintenance service, as well